bigger than 12. I'll just put a little bit of that back.
That's it.
Yeah.
Shake.
There we go, that's better. Now hang on, before you run over there, we have to put the baking powder in, which is 1 3/4 teaspoons. So,
My spoon might have to.
no, I got these blocks. No, stay right in front of the dishwasher, please. You gotta wash the spoon because you dropped it on the floor.
Me?
Yes. I'll wash it, you stay there. Okay, don't touch it. Probably does not smell good. Alright, so that's your teaspoon. And we need 1 3/4 teaspoons.
Wait, do we have to put it there?
I'm going to put this in there.
And oh,
Okay, there's
it
1.
almost looks like sugar.
Yeah, it's not though. You wouldn't want to eat this stuff.
Stir.
Sure, why not?
Ew, it feels so fluffy.
Alright, let's put the vanilla in next. So we're going to put the vanilla in the wet stuff. How much vanilla did we need? 2 teaspoons.
And the wet.
Yeah, so let me do that. But if you want, you can bring your stuff over here. You can bring that over and we'll put the vanilla in, and then we'll put that stuff in.
It's like real baking without videos.
1, 2.
Oh, it smells like chocolate coffee.
Okay, hang on. Let me mix this up a little bit before you pour that stuff in.
Wow, that's cute.
Did you say it smells like coffee?
Little. It actually smells like hot chocolate.
Alright, hang on. Okay, put a little bit of that, not all of it. Okay, a little bit more than that, like half of it.
That okay? Then we're gonna add more after that?
Yes. Okay, let me bring it back up for it.
You know it's my dad's like recording.
Yeah, that's right. Daddy's recording.
Ooh,
Daddy wants to eat it when we're all done.
yeah, me too.
You too.
But we can't eat it until after tomorrow, I think.
Oh yeah, after it's finished. Woo!
But we could try it when it's like done.
No, so we gotta make sure, we gotta make it all pretty.
Wow, it's really sticky.
Yeah, alright. The more we add to it, the stickier it's gonna get. Alright, I'm
Really?
going for it now.
Wow. Just that, Mom. What's the next step?
I don't know, let's go find out. We'll let that stir. Combine the flour to add the cream mixture and mix well. Stir in the milk until smooth. Oh, I forgot about the milk. So we need half a cup of milk. So we need it to go to that half or the 4.
So, 4, got it. I like number 6.
Yeah.
What?
Alright.
Almost went up to 6.
Uh-oh. Okay. Looks like we're good. On the inside it looks like we were good. Okie dokie.
Wow. That might have turned up the stickiness.
Yeah, it sure did. Now I gotta wait for it to kind of piece and we can pour it, or pourable.
What are we gonna do now, Mom?
Well, it says, pour the batter into the pan. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes in preheated oven.
Oh.
Cake is done when it springs back to the touch.
Oh, yay! I can't wait. We're almost done.
Almost done. How's our oven? Oh, it's at 314. We're almost there.
What should we do if it's not done? When we're ready and it's not.
Then we wait.
How will we wait? Will we make a free part of the videos?
No, we could make another part of the video.
Yeah.
Gotta take this out.
Ooh. Mom?
Yeah.
We're not now for the pancakes.
Yeah, right. Alright. Okay, here we go. Pouring the batter.
Ooh. That's a white cake, alright.
Yeah, make sure we get a little bit in here. Alright, I'll go back and fill this up.
And then we have to fill that one up again.
Yeah, we can go back and fill that up. I just want to make sure we had so many each or else we'd be in a pickle.
Pickle! Oh my goodness. Pickles are disgusting to me.
I like pickles. I need a little bit more in this one. Almost done. Gotta make sure we get all that goodness.
Mom,
Yeah.
can we do this almost every day?
Oh, sweetie, we don't have time to make a cake every day. Plus, then could you imagine us eating a cake every day? We'd be huge.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
can we at least do this again after tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe. We can do it again. Alright.
Can we, don't stop?
Alright, so I'm going to shake it so it's nice and smooth.
Do we have to flatten?
Yeah, I had a baker friend tell me that you gotta make sure you beat the eggs and get the air out, or else it'll rise. But I think we beat it pretty good with that KitchenAid. So let's just make sure there's no air trapped in here.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
when we get when we get
Okay,
that
perfect.
out of the oven, will it be the end of the video?
Yes. Well, we're gonna probably stop the video while it's in the oven because
So,
we don't want to sit there and watch it.
so it's actually the third video,
Right.
but the third for the tooth part, it's really quick.
Okay. Alright, so all the bubbles came to the surface, or at least most of them.
Yep.
And let's put her in the oven. Can you bring the little one nice and carefully? 2 hands.
Yeah. I'm doing it with 2 hands.
And then we'll set a timer for 20 minutes just because I don't trust what the instructions say. I'd rather check it early. Alexa,
Right.
set timer for 20 minutes.
It's what I did.
20 minutes, starting now.
Alright. Let's clean up what we ate.
Wait, we gotta say something first.
Oh, we should say goodbye, right? And we'll see them after.
And also,
So, okay, say,
thanks for watching Heidi's video of my parents.
and we'll see you when the cake is baked.